Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Begin by preparing your USB network adapter and workspace. Use a USB 3.0 port for best throughput when connecting the adapter. Inspect the adapter and measure clearance. Most adapters are about 3.5 inches long. Confirm you have a Cat5e or Cat6 Ethernet cable and router access. Download the latest drivers from the manufacturer site for your adapter model before you plug the device into your PC. Keep the PC on and ready, or fully updated if prompted by Windows or Mac OS. Plug the adapter into a USB 3.0 port and connect the Ethernet cable to your router. Allow automatic driver installation if the operating system prompts you to proceed. If no automatic install occurs, run the downloaded installer from the manufacturer and follow on-screen prompts. Open Device Manager or Network Settings to confirm the adapter appears and is enabled. Watch the adapter link light on the Ethernet jack. A steady light confirms physical connection to the network. Configure your network settings after the adapter appears in the system. Use DHCP for automatic IP assignment or enter a static IP such as 192, 168, 150 if required by your network. Test the connection speed with an online tool. Expect up to 1 Gbps on gigabit adapters and up to 100 Mbps on older models. If the adapter does not work, try another USB port or a USB hub that supports external power.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.